dancehall, slow jams, and R&B. Check out Richie So Unique. Follow him on Twitter at Richie_So_Unique and on Instagram at Richie_So Unique or call 347-369-9346 for more info.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit, I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I fell off, ooh, I needed that. And they wanna see me pick back up, but where I leave it at? I know I exaggerated things, now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt cause I'm just mobbing like that. You know good and well that you don't want a problem like that. You gon' make someone around me catch nobody like that. No, don't do it. Please don't do it. Cause one of us goes in and we all go through it. Drizzy got the money, so Drizzy gon' pay it. Those my brothers, I ain't even gotta say it. That's just
There's a lot of bad bitches in the building. Hey man, a couple real niggas in the building. Hey man, I'm finna kill niggas in the building. Hey man, I tell her way to 50 bottles and she tell me say when and I say church. We make it light up like a church. She wanna fuck and I say church. Do live on Sunday like a church. Bottle at the bottle, drinking till I overdose. Pull up in the fan and my bitch can't go. Every time I step up in the different nigga gon' go. They told me get him, I got him. I swear this word to my father. And the only way to make it to the top is you gonna get it from the bottom. And I ain't never asked for no hands out, you won't carry me no ride. These haters love when I was dead broke, but they mad at me, I'm on fire and I'm gon' burn. And they ain't gon' learn. I remember they said that it ain't my turn, but it ain't confirmed. Then the tables turn, just look at me now, till they hold me down. But I ain't gon' stop, cause I'm gon' climb to the mountain top, to the mountain top. Let go. And before I fuck this, I gotta put that patch over my third eye. Quick ring, truck fit, t-shirt, talk second, ski first. Boy, your girl a jump off. I hope she wearing feet first. She give me brain research and I prefer refer. But if you want some, that's cool. Cause my home is still. Yeah, my home is still. My home is still. Don't make my girls go.
Pimpin' ain't slick and they ain't saying nothing. 100 of y'all suckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Pimpin' ain't slick and they ain't saying nothing. 100 of y'all suckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Man, I'm been good dad, man, I'm been popped out. And if she ain't tryna give it up, she get dropped out. Let me bust that beauty, bust that open. I ain't tryna up and down, bust that open.
You been on my mind. Anytime I miss you, and old girl would come late and bring all her tips through. Break up her with while I break down my issues. Get paper, she blows that the next day, you know that. Daydream at nighttime, I think too much. Then I hit the nightclub till it's daytime and I drink too much. Not time for no good girl, they hold on and they cling too much. I just want a hood that tells me that I sing too much. Ah yeah, shout out to the women playing opposition. I be moving through my city like a politician. Hope you don't judge me, cause me and you are not all that different. You made me this way, you made me famous, you all assisted. New, trying to shine, I didn't condone it. But I'm back in this, reliving the moment. I'm about to popping up again. Drama about to make it rain on Mary Poppins and her friends.
I'm so sophisticated. To get a person me, you gotta be initiated. To get a person me, she gotta be sophisticated. Purchase a whip for me and never miss a single payment. I'm from the city where the Muslims, even Christians hate it. Even the black folk hate to see another made it. Tell all them chill, champagne refrigerator. Just bought a chopper, cause the last eyes nobody confiscated. They don't know her, there's so many.
She's so sophisticated. She'll catch a nut and then refrigerate it. I wear a rubber and we up till we dehydrated. I pull it out, burn her face and call her cry, baby. I kiss her neck, I kiss her stomach, then I kiss that dessert. And then I eat it from the back, but I don't do error. And then I get this monster hard and that's the way to put it. You tell me, told you hit it wrong, tell her that you crazy. Don't want no HIV, don't need that honey for the biggest. It's my CMB, the flick of your head. Don't stop from hard, call it Ronald Reagan. I think we gon' be come together, call it congregation. Keep all that on the shit, it's going, hey girl, I'm the beat. If I should take you home, should I take you home? Tell me to keep you waiting, but I just gotta know if you're ready. She say she wanna take a skirt off, be my guest. I have to take my shirt off, show my chest. We've been sipping on that Merlot, so you know what's next. Breaking in the mission, switching positions.
For all your hip hop, reggae, dancehall, slow jams, and R&B, check out Richie So Unique. Follow him on Twitter at Richie_So Unique and on Instagram at Richie_So Unique or call 34. For all your hip hop, reggae, dancehall, slow jams, and R&B, check out Richie So Unique. Follow him on Twitter at Richie_So Unique and on Instagram at Richie_So Unique or call 347-369-9346 for more info.
I'm the beat. If I should take you home, should I take you home? Tell me to keep you waiting, but I just gotta know if you're ready. She say she wanna take a skirt off, be my guest. I decided to take my shirt off, show my chest. And we've been sipping on that Merlot, so you know what's next. Breaking in the mission, switching positions, we so explicit. Oh, you've been saying all night long that you couldn't wait to get me all alone. What you gon' do to me? Don't talk about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Girl, I can't wait to get you home. Talk about you got in mind. Come on, how about what you gon' do to me? We're talking about it, be about it. Let me see, let me see, let me see.
For all your hip hop, reggae, dancehall, slow jams, and R&B, check out Richie So Unique. Follow him on Twitter at Richie_So Unique and on Instagram at Richie_So Unique or call 347-369-9346 for more info.
So high, we're still climbing, even here inside the walls, breaking each other's hearts, and we don't care 'cause we're so in too deep. Can't think about giving it up, but I never knew love would feel like a heart attack. It's killing me, swear I never cried so much, 'cause I never knew love would hurt this fucking bad. Worst pain I ever had. Never knew love would hurt this fucking bad. Worst pain I ever. Lost, flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. You got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just trying to make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever, took it dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that word. I heard that she been on strike, here to tell, I read your mind. She been on them challenge first, caramel, macchiatos, but Shawty, it ain't work. I can be your girlfriend, be your nigga, or a single purse. I'm just trying with that, they just trying with their nerves. I'm around some people living
living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, stroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrow, some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma give up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip, then somebody said to me, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swim, you move for the liquor, then you dive. Then move for the liquor, then you dive.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment, waiting on my moment.
Old dude met mom, it was on. Then he named me over a phone. Prison term, live and learn, sip and serve with my vision blurred. Take this cup of reality, in the earth. When you start from the bottom, you can see the top. So when you get to it, don't let them see the spot. Next thing you know, you're looking for a rent sign. Upper echelon, we skip line. I remember reminiscing in the kitchen like, I wonder when them Braves gon' win it. I wonder when them Falcons gon' get here. Pirates vision made more than I ever made with DTP this year.
For all your hip-hop, reggae, dancehall, slow jams, and R&B, check out Richie So Unique. Follow him at Twitter at Richie_SoUnique and on Instagram at Richie_SoUnique or call 347-369-9346 for more info.